Welcome to AI Pulse, your daily source for top AI, tech, and world news. Here are today's biggest stories. 1. Gaza conflict. U.S. President Donald Trump warns that the United States may take military action in Gaza if Hamas continues attacks. He says, "We will have no choice but to go in and kill them." 2. U.S. Admiral steps down. Admiral Alvin Holsey, head of the U.S. Southern Command, resigns amid rising tensions with Venezuela. His tenure, planned for 3 years, ended early. 3. China responds to U.S. trade moves. China expresses strong dissatisfaction with recent U.S. actions. Beijing urges President Trump to cherish the results of trade negotiations. 4. Israel recovers hostage, remains. Israel receives the remains of 2 more hostages after earlier mix-ups. This occurs amid ongoing truce tensions in the region. 5. Earthquake in Indonesia. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake strikes Papua, Indonesia. Tremors are felt across surrounding areas. No major casualties reported yet. 6. India-Russia oil claim. President Trump claims Prime Minister Modi assured him that India will not buy oil from Russia. Geopolitical tensions continue to rise. 7. India recommended for 2030 Commonwealth Games. Ahmedabad is recommended to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. This is a major milestone for India's sports infrastructure and global recognition. 8. Cricket. Upset. Pakistan defeats South Africa by 93 runs in the first Test match. South Africa's 10-match winning streak comes to an end. 9. India, Tour of Australia. ODI Series. The ODI series between India and Australia begins on October 19, 2025. Fans expect thrilling, high-intensity matches. 10. Protests in Peru. Gen Z-led protests in Peru result in at least 1 death and over 100 injuries. Authorities launch investigations into the unrest. That's today's top news from around the world. Stay tuned for tomorrow's updates. This is AI Pulse, delivering the world's news in just 3 minutes.